During the unboxing, I've got comments from my family members that I talk too much in my videos. I'm just going to keep it simple, keep silent, and just let you enjoy the ASRM experience. So let's get to it. Okay, what we have in this package, cable adapter for the charger. So it goes in here. Nice. This is the docking system, and we have water storage of just 200 ml. Yeah, this is definitely not sufficient to mop my entire floor, but it's better than nothing though. It's quite nice and compact. So advised to not use any detergent on this. What I've seen some do is you fill it up with water over here, and you can insert the soap by directly spraying on this microfiber fabric. So that way it won't interfere with the hoses and the tiny electric motor that pumps the water out. This is the conductor for the vacuum. Clips. So little roller, Velcro. So you slide it in just like that, and you put it back in. Very nice, easy for maintenance. Comes with the brush. It's a very nice silicone brush, and cleaning brush with a blade. So the blade, I assume, is for cutting tangled threads or long hair. If you have woman in the house or dogs with long fur, yeah, it can be the same. Oh, there's no space for storage inside. Inside you have a, I think it's 600 ml of storage for the dust. It's the filter. It's very well built. Actually, everything looks almost identical to the Roborock. The parts are like identical to the Roborock, especially if you flip it over. You can see the wheels, the brush, the sensors, and this is because Xiaomi bought some of Roborock's technology, which is why you see many similarities, like the cliff sensor, so it won't fall off the stairs, the deceleration sensor, so this is when it senses something in front of it, it will slow down. Okay, so all you got to do is assemble the brush and can get started. Okay, we start with downloading the Mi Home app, or as others would call it, the Mi Jia app, which means Mi Home. Just pretty straightforward steps. Sign in. If you're not registered in Mi account, just sign up with the create account, and straightforward. I'm not going to go through it step by step. Okay. Alright, sign in. So I'm going to start with dining room. Alright, once you have signed in, set up the room you want. Start the vacuum by holding the button for 3 seconds. You'll say some stuff.
Turning on.
Alright, pop the hood. Okay, you see that blinking light? That's the Wi-Fi. And that's the reset button. Do not press the reset button. So the blinking Wi-Fi indicates that it's connecting to our home Wi-Fi. Okay, start by adding your device. So now it's scanning, and you just write this one. Mi Robot Mop detects it. So hold the 2 buttons down consecutively for 3 seconds. Until it says something.
For the network setup.
Okay. Click on the next step. Just click next. Next. Connect to our network. Oh, by the way, this vacuum only connects to 2.4G. It does not have 5G connection. Makes sense as well, because 5G have shorter wavelengths. So this vacuum be all over the house. So 2G, good enough.
The phone and I were connected. Please return to the app to wait for the setup to complete.
The app. Sometime, let's fast forward.
Network connected successfully.
Yay! And we are done. So we'll start with dining room. And you can name your vacuum. I'm going to name mine R2D2. Okay, let's get started. Make sure you don't have these things lying around the floor. Make sure you have ample space around. Basic instructions. Okay, and we are good to go. Things you should note: the house needs to be relatively clutter-free. Example like loose items, and oh damn, that's exactly what I have. Needs to be gone. Cannot have any of that. And get rid of that as well. So after pressing start, you see the robot will map the entire layout of the house first before it starts its cleaning. Another feature that the Mi Home app has is the device sharing. So let's say you have 2 persons using the same device, 2 different phones. You can share the same device. Share device. Okay, share R2D2. This is already shared, so you just click add, then you add the Mi account. Of course, you need to set up a Mi account as well with your email. Enter your email, abc@gmail.com, then click OK, and you're good to go. Cool feature this 1C has is the ability to remote control. So you go to the 3 dots on the top and you see remote control. With this, you can remotely control the device like a little racing car. So this one, okay, feature of this device you have is you can save maps. So after the robot has done a layout of your entire house, you can activate it by clicking these 3 dots on the top. I don't know why it's called experimental, but it's under experimental features, map saving. Make sure it's enabled and you can save the map. And another thing with this, you can map management. You can add virtual walls and restricted area. As you can see here, I've done so with